how to edit the post author and add another author on Wix. To do it, you want to go to your Wix dashboard, and then after that, you want to go to your left side of your screen, and then choose blog right here. You want to click on it, and then after that, you want to click on writers right here. And then right here at the writers, you can edit your post author, whether to change the name or to change the profile picture of the author by clicking right here at the edit. Right here at the profile info, on profile picture, you can just change the profile picture by click on this update. And then right here, you can just choose any of the photo that you want to be your author profile picture. And then to edit the name of the post author, you can just change the name right here, or on the additional info, you can put the first name, the last name, or the phone number about the author, and so on. And then to add another author, you want to go back to your Wix dashboard from before, and then right here, click on the blog, and again, click on the writers, and then you want to go to your top right of your screen, right here, and click on add writer to add another writer to your blog. And then right here, you can invite a new writer, or just create a writer profile. Right here, I want to create a writer profile and then click on continue. And you can just put the name, the profile picture. And after you add the name and profile picture, you can just click on save at the top right of your screen. And right here, you want to click on refresh on your browser. And as you can see, there will be a new writer right here. And for example, if you want to post something right here, click on the post and create a new post. And then you want to go to settings right here. And then on the writer, you can click on it and then choose a new writer to be your author post. That's it. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.